Well, hello, and welcome. Hope you're having a great day, and welcome to the first episode of Distro Hopping in 10 minutes, where we'll be trying out different Linux distros. I'm using Arch, by the way, and I'm just trying to learn more about different kind of distributions that are out there. Who knows? Maybe in the future I might move into one. So yeah, if you like the series, if you enjoy the series, make sure to leave uh, to drop a comment below and subscribe, I guess. And other than that, let's get into the video. And today, obviously, we're trying the first distribution, which is TinyCore Linux. I'm starting from the lowest distributions, from the I would say the smallest distributions to the biggest ones. So yeah, pretty much the next episode I'm gonna continue with the smallest distributions until they run out, they eventually run out, and I have to move on to bigger ones. But for now, this is what we have. Let me pull it out and let's move to it. Okay, and let's put this back part. So TinyCore, by the way, if you don't know about it, it's a very small Linux distribution which can fit in under 21 megabytes. Yes. In fact, the ISO file is like it is under 30 megabytes. In fact, and it can boot. It can successfully boot, and it has a graphical user interface. It's a really useful Linux distro, but obviously it's small. It does not come with many applications, so let's pull it up and try it out. It might take time. I allocated it like 512 megabytes of RAM, so yeah. Let's see. Okay. And I didn't set up networking for this. Who knows, maybe for the next episode I will download a proper emulator and set up networking. So yeah, for this one I didn't set up any networking features, so yeah, and it's taking a minute. Okay. And I have to remember that I have a time, I know. I have to do all this in under 10 minutes, so okay. Okay, and let me just adjust how it's viewed. Let me adjust the view and zoom to fit. Perfect. So this is TinyCore Linux, by the way. You can see the mouse working, and let's start turning on. And according to the documentation on this, it's based the UI is basically I think it's FLTK. Yeah, I think it's called FLTK or FLTK. It's based on that library. So let's try it out. Let me see. Obviously it's empty, and since I have no networking, there's not gonna be a lot to see. Let's see, mount 2. I like how it's different, how things work from the side. The title bar, it's on the side. I wonder how the menus, the app menus, how do they appear? Do they like appear on the side cascading like this, or? But who knows? Let me close. Whoa. Right. Okay. I thought I had just discovered it bottom. So okay. Run program. Hmm. Can you browse? Let's see what we have. We have BusyBox, I guess. Oh, we don't have a lot. Oh, we have soup. Oh, we even have Vi. Okay, let us start Vi. Yeah. Oh, I guess this way you start graphical applications, I guess. So let us do Vi. Let's see. Oh, okay. Vi works. Let me write the hello world in Rust. And just to make it a little bit fun, you know, I absolutely don't need this. But this is just to make it a little bit fun. And yep. Oh wow. Cat OS. Does it have the C compiler? No. Okay. Let's see the time so that I don't violate myself. I don't violate my own rules, I mean. Don't violate myself. Oh, it seems like it reset, but anyway, I'm gonna keep it short. So, okay, we're left with like 4 minutes actually, so actually 3. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, so this one requires networking in order for us to, okay, to access the mirrors. Well, yeah. I don't know what the hell is happening. Okay. And it's lagging. Wait a minute. The fastest mirror was... Wait. We found the first mirror. www.google.com. Oh, okay. Turns out my networking is quite set up, I guess. So let's see what can we get. On demand, I guess. How do you use this? Well, some parts of this are very confusing. I don't know why parts of this are very confusing. Like, how the hell do I install? Hello? What? Okay. Well, I really don't know. Well, I don't know what am I doing now, guys. So, but then anyway, you know, as I promised, okay, this, okay, it turns out there's like, oh, now my question about news get answered. So, okay, nice. Let's see how does this file look inside here. I like this thing, you know. Okay, let's see the control panel. Okay, terminal server. Let's change the wallpaper. Oh, okay, we can edit the color, the solid color gradient. Let me just close some of these. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that electric icon. Look at that. Let's see if I can configure this thing. This thing is on. Okay. On the bar icon. Oh, I guess this is the okay. No. Oh, there's also like a command for this. And it is updated. So, well, you know what? I'm just gonna call it the end here. And this was 10 Linux, everyone. I mean, yeah, this was TinyCore Linux, TinyCore by the way. And let me just print the rename. Jeez. Okay, so Linux TinyCore. So let's see you on the next one, guys. Peace.